Yapping reels are the biggest trend right now, and in this video I'm going to show you how to plan, film, and edit a talking to camera reel. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! Okay, first of all, when you're coming up with your ideas, I suggest thinking of things that people often ask you and using those questions that they ask you, your frequently asked questions, and creating videos about it. That is something that you already know people are interested in, they're asking you. So answering those questions or talking about those topics is a great thing to start when you want to start talking on camera. Next is, how are you going to go about planning this? Are you going to figure out how you're going to start, figure out your sentence, break it down into talking points, and just talk? Or do you want to use a script? You can write out a script that you can read to the camera later. Honestly, I prefer just talking to camera because it just feels more natural. I find that when there's a script involved, people tend to really concentrate on getting word perfect, and that can really mess with you if you make a mistake, and it's really hard to do that correctly. But if you are somebody who needs a script and needs to organize your thoughts ahead of time, then it's something that you're going to get better at anyway. So it's going to be a skill that you grow. So don't worry about it being awkward at the beginning because you'll get good at it. So whichever way you choose, there's no right or wrong. It's whatever is good for you. If you're going to be doing a talking head video without scripting, it's good to know what sentence you're going to start with, what are you going to end with, and then kind of know the points that you're going to want to talk about within the video. If you know that, then it's really easy to start and stop. Or if you're going to script it, writing it all out and then using a teleprompter. So to use a teleprompter, so say you want to script it all out, you can actually do that in the Edits tab. You press the plus and camera, and you're going to see teleprompter right down here. If you press teleprompter, you can add your script right there. You can change the size of it, the speed of it. And so if you're somebody that wants to read, because this is a little higher up, your eyes already look like they're closer to the camera, and you could also be reading it but looking at the camera itself, so it's going to feel a lot more natural. Or you could just record yourself talking. So I'm just going to record myself talking. So if you want to get started with talking on camera, I suggest you just start by talking on camera. The more often you talk, the more comfortable you'll be with planning out your topics, thinking about what to say. With just being on camera, it's just not going to be as awkward. Once you're done talking, let's stop that. And let's go to next. So when you're editing your talking camera reels, you don't necessarily have to film them in edits. You can film them in your camera roll as well. And then all you would do is add that clip into here. So I have this clip of me talking to camera. What's something that Edits has is it has this cut silences button. So what that does is it just gets rid of any silences as you're talking. So I'm going to press cut silences, and it just got rid of any of that dead space between talking. So it's a great way to just start with editing. And then you can go through here and see if there's anything that you want to keep or if you don't want to keep. You also want to make sure that you start right when you talk. So cutting out that, getting rid of that first quiet on the beginning of your reel is really important. Once you have what you want to say down, then a good thing to do is just to color grade this and just to add some more contrast and just to make it look a little bit better. And to do that, you just press the adjust button. I would suggest press apply to all, because what this is going to do is it's going to apply to all clips, and because you filmed it in the same location, it just makes sense to have the same color on all of them. And so what I do here is you can do your exposure, increase your exposure. If you increase your contrast, ooh, not too much, it's just going to make your skin look a lot better. And I also like to increase my shadows just to lighten my skin and make it look a little better. And then curves are also a good thing to do if you just want to have it more even. So what you can do is just put the middle one up a little bit. You can see it's just going to clear up your skin a little bit. And then the next thing you're going to want to add is captions. Captions just allow you to share what you're saying, and then but also allow people that are watching it without volume to easily know what you're saying too. So to add captions, just press captions, and then you want to generate them from video. You can choose a style. Ooh, I like that one. And then transcripts control, show punctuation, title case, show curse words. Yeah, let's do it. Let's generate my captions. Captions on Instagram are getting far more advanced. It's really nice to see that. So if I press play, you can go in and you can edit any of the words. So I can get rid of this. You can edit the style. So like with this style, I can change the color that I want of the highlight. My color's blue, so I can have that highlight be blue. I can add my own colors in here. Ooh, it's been a while since I've done this. This is really cool. It's getting really adaptive. And then once you're done all that, then you can also add kind of a sentence to explain what you're gonna do in the video. So adding text above your head, so having it filmed so that you can have captions below your head and a text introducing what you're saying in the video above your head is the best place to position it. So I'm gonna go click off of everything. I'm gonna press text and I'm gonna write, I can change the text. I have so many options now for what I can add to it. So I'm gonna add that with an outline. And then so you just add that above. And now let's add some music so that it's not just me talking. We also have some music in here. So we're gonna go to audio. When you add music, you want to add a song without lyrics because the lyrics and your talking is just going to compete and it's going to make it a lot harder to follow. So you want to make it an instrumental song. If I just add it like this, what it's going to do is it's going to make that song really loud and it's going to drown out my voice. So what I have to do is I have to adjust the volume on it. So I click on the clip itself. I do volume and then I just reduce it to around 10. 10, 11 is anywhere around 10 is a good sweet spot. Find out what you like best and then just keep working with that. And now you can see when you're listening to it, you still kind of hear the music, but it's not overpowering. You hear me talking, but it just makes it a little bit more engaging. And then once you're done all of this, you press export. And then here you can either download it to your camera roll and then just upload it to Instagram, or you can just press the Instagram button and then it's going to put it right into Instagram for you. All you need to do is write a caption and then share it.